Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna be packing my life into boxes, suitcases, and whatnot. So, welcome to episode 2 of my moving out series. Hope you enjoy.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath our feet.
So, now it's time that I have to pack my books, which are right here, which I need to pack all of them. So, my dad told me to get the trunk that I have there. Wait, let me show you this trunk that you see. This trunk, we have trunk. I'm gonna load all of my books in because I want them to be safe. Clothes and books should be done by today. I'm so happy about it. So we have still 5 days to go and I want to finish it as early as possible. So that's a great success. So guys, I have to pack all these books that you see here. This one's here, all of these. This is a trunk that we have removed, and in this we are gonna fill all my books. Time to take these books out now. Let's do it.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath our feet. Water is so clear and blue, all my dreams are coming true. Days are hard and nights are long, I like singing.
No, no. बाप रे, ये लेके जाएंगे.
वाह 10 किलो का नहीं किसका
हळू हळू. ये भी लेके जाएंगे. ये किसका book?
You're this song, skinny dipping with the moon. Life's more fun when I'm with you. These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These
Now we
days.
are gonna tackle this area. We have segregated books into this. I'm gonna take, but these are papers. These are the ones which I have to take. These are the ones which I'm not taking. These are the ones I'm gonna keep here only, and those are my sisters. So time to clear this one now. So guys, we have packed the all of my books. Still some books are remaining. My room is a mess. I and my sister are just checking off our checklist, and she is doing that whole thing. I have completed some stuff, so just we are gonna tick mark it so that I don't forget and get confused. So let's do it in modules. हाँ डाल दे टिक. फिर प्रैक्टिकल रिकॉर्ड. हाँ NCERT लिए क्या. हाँ टिक डाल. This is ready to be packed. Let's close this thing. बैठ गया अच्छे से. Yes. Yes. हो गया जी, हो गया. Today we tackled our book section also. So today we are also going to do our stationery thingies. So I'm going to remove a bunch of pencils, rubbers, sharpeners, etc. Let's find them. Okay, we are removing a bunch of pencils and rubbers.
Oh my god
I have collected this from 4 years. Finally, they have come to some use. Our school used to provide them. So guys, now I'm gonna store my stationery in a chocolate dabba, as you can see, because I think it is the safest. So let's just store all of this. So guys, I have put all my stationery in this chocolate dabba. So I'm gonna pack it. This is all according to the list. So let's just pack it off. Done. सिर्फ ये बचा है रखने को और ये बचा है. So guys, as I told you in my hostel essentials video, to carry this like bed stand. So I'm gonna pack this thing in this. This actually came in this only. It was from Amazon. So I'm gonna pack this. I kept this dabba safely so that you never know when you have to pack. That's a good thing that I did. Let's pack this.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath our feet. Water.
Now I'm gonna start off first by packing my clothes. It's 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock now almost. So I am gonna pack up till 11 o'clock. So now it's time to pack my clothes. So let's begin, guys. So guys, I have my list ready. Oh, sorry. I have my list ready. This is the same list I told hostel essentials video. It will link up here somewhere. So this is the same list that I'm gonna be following, which I followed in that video. So let's follow this list.
Dipping with the moon. Life's more fun when I'm with you. these days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.
This looks like so far kind of okay. These are घर के कपड़े. These are pants and night suits. It looks clean. I can pick very quickly. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and today we are gonna go on grocery shopping with my mom to get some stuff that I don't have right now, and I have to make a list still, so I have to do that. And now we are gonna go. I'm all ready. This is my outfit, just comfy stuff. So let's do the list, guys. So guys, this is my list. We're gonna go and grab all these stuff.
Together, these days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.
Hi guys, it's the next day. My room has been a complete mess. I can't tell you how much messy it is. And yesterday we got back home at around 2 o'clock. We got a bunch of stuff, so I have to figure out where I should pack them. So today it's gonna be a long day. Tonight I'm gonna start packing everything. Just 3 days are left to move, but I have not still packed anything. So we have to start with that, I think. So yeah, tonight I'll meet you tonight then. So guys, it's almost night now. So I've started packing. Almost everything is done. A little bit of toiletries and combs etc. is remaining. So that I need to figure out. And yeah, I'm carrying this huge suitcase. Yeah guys, let's do the toiletries back now. Don't know why I got this rubber band. This doesn't even fit me. My hair are long, not long enough to do this. I can't tie it up in a ponytail also now. So I'm gonna go back to the pouch, guys. See you. Bye.
I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you're free.
Oh, the toiletries is done, like finally. So I'm gonna show you what all I packed. Wait. So guys, I have packed my whole bag. And here I have my clothes, here I have my medicines, here I have my extension cord, here are my stationery, here is mask, and still I have to fill this up. And now I'm going to toiletries back, so let's do it. I've packed my toiletries in this one and this one pouch. So in this pouch I have kept all the essential stuff. Okay, hello. Tonight we have to shift this whole thing to our